Commissioner wa IEBC Professor Francis Aduol isiko rero na umerana amo na batinari ba IEBC amo na babatani urwase county ya Kisii likorro gware barure asomoroberio bokubwata chikura musangerekano yo ni gokorekana se chia BC chia IEBC county ya Kisii asomokonye bomugabana hokese Elijobebo anyara kagwikirana muri Wycliffe Tyson Manyara orogotirwa senchira yo wikirana.
The ongoing enhanced continuous voter registration as organized by IEBC.
Gukwana magega gukura egeikaro amona stakeholders na baigo abarai bari batenenete okorikia chikurakurwa chibunge chia Kisii County omo commissioner o IEBC Francis Aduol nigo ateba Kisii County imbuya egenderete wikira rero.
In general, we noted with quite a bit of satisfaction that the registration process is going on quite well within the county. Up to now, they have reached just a little over 60% of the target that we were looking at for this phase of registration.
Ase jibunge gose chi constituency chiria chia kolirie buya nyalibali chache nero etangaine na nyalibali masaba nero esiegete.
Nyalibali chache 114, Nyalibali Masaba actually is the opposite at 41%. And we noted therefore that this particular constituency needed to, then there was a need for more encouragement for people to come forward.
Ase ogo chenche ekura gose ogo transfer ekura ni gateba omwaki ekura atakire kogenda ase constituency agocha gwakira ekura achencheri aroro.
You need to go to the constituency where you want to transfer to so that you are transferred there. You go to the constituency office for you to be transferred there. We are not encouraging people to be transferred where you are to another constituency where for example, you are seeking to be at, and there are practical reasons for that. We fear that if we just allow people to transfer anyhow, this provision could be abused.
Nakwanera igoro y'ebibande ebyo bire ase chiabisi chebibande ebyo abanyene batarabichiera kuoya.
Relatively large number of IDs that still held by the National Registration Bureau, but the National Registration Bureau office explained that they're making every effort possible to reach out to those people who have their IDs sitting with them and to the contacts that they have left with them. We also had a meeting with the county commissioner who clarified to us that some of the IDs that were still sitting at the National Registration Office have been dispatched right down to chiefs and assistant chiefs so that they can distribute this out to the owners to enable them to come and register as voters.
Umurobelio bwokorikia chikura ni gora chekoera chitariki 25 na isato kolende okorikia oko ngobe ase chiabisi cha IEBC na boigo ase Huduma Center.
Wale wanataka kuregister after ECVR wataweza kuregister at IEBC offices na katika vituo vya huduma.
Message ya nero ejeiga.
Anybody who does not want to vote is basically voting themselves out of this country.
Kuripoti Getembe, Wycliffe Tyson Manyara.